Yay, it's a Dutch Bros kind of morning. I got like a truffle mocha or something, I don't know. And then Matthew got his usual. Have y'all tried Dutch Bros? So good. I don't know if this is like, is this a thing in other places too? Oh, everybody needs to tell me if they tried Dutch Bros because I love it. I need to know y'all's favorite drinks. I tried reading a book when I got sleepy. Drinking coffee. There's Matthew. I feel like you want to smile, but you're not. I was getting really tired. I think the coffee was making me tired because of the amount of sugar I was having. But look at all the stuff that I brought with me. I even brought my planner and stickers. Why? Hey guys, and what is up? My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, apparently TikTok now, all of social media. And today I was gonna quickly get ready because I have a little get together with one of my friends. She's a friend that I've known since I was like in high school, and she messaged me, she texted me, I think it was last week or I think it might have been 2 weeks ago. Let me get comfortable. I think it might have been 2 weeks ago, asking me if I could go to, it's a restaurant that's like downtown San Antonio called Box Street Social, and she just said it would be really special if you could be there. And I don't know if it's anything related to her wedding or not, because she's getting married next year. So I don't know, it's just kind of weird and random that she asked the way she asked. So I'm trying to make sure that I look like nice and presentable. So I have this, I jumped on the on the fashion trend of like this like mini like top where it's just like a sweater at the top, but this is also a sweater, so it's kind of silly, but it was not that expensive. I got it at Ross last year, and it's pretty chilly outside. It's like in the low 60s. I think that's the high that it's going to be today, so I could get away with just this, and I'm wearing a skirt. I don't know yet if I'm going to put stockings on, but as of now I'm just wearing the skirt, and I think it's pretty cute. I'll show you all the complete outfit once I'm done getting ready, but I was gonna get ready with you all, and I have a claw clip here so I can put my hair back. And this morning, I guess I can just like talk while I do my makeup. This morning we went to get the oil change on our car because it was time, and then we also got some coffee before, so it was pretty good. It was a pretty good, simple, chill morning, not too bad. So what I'm using here is just Pore Filler by NYX Cosmetics. I think I only have a little bit left. Yeah, but I don't need too much. It's just like these, oh no, these trouble spots that I have right here. And I also have, this is a trouble spot. I have, I broke out really bad over the weekend when I went to Austin with my friends, since we were just eating a ton of crap, and it was so bad. But thankfully my skin is slowly, because I have like breakouts here, here, and here. I think this is hormonal from I stopped birth control. My fertility specialist, and I already talked about this on one of my videos, but my fertility specialist took me off of birth control because I already got done with all the procedures that I needed. So right now, if you see me looking away from the camera, it's because I'm looking at my mirror over here. But we stopped the birth control. So now it's kind of like at the process of like, let's try to get pregnant naturally, and then if that doesn't work, then we'll go through IVF, or I think IUI would be the first option, but IVF was also presented to me. So anyways, I guess the point is I got taken off birth control, and after that I started getting like these really bad like breakouts here that just like don't go away with like anything. So it's super frustrating, but I would assume eventually they'll have to go away. Oh, and then I forgot to mention, what I'm using here is Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. I like this because it's super lightweight, especially right now with all the breakouts I've been having. I don't want to use anything that's super heavy on my skin, so I feel like this is kind of the best of both worlds for me right now. And I like the way it looks. I feel like it fixes, it kind of has like light to medium coverage, and I'm not trying to have like super heavy makeup on right now, so I think that looks good. Let me do this side. I just apply it directly to my face. That's kind of how I saw it being done on TikTok, so ever since I saw it being done that way, I've been doing it the same way, because I'm like, if people on TikTok do it, then so can I. I don't know if I need to apply something different on that breakout right there. Ugh, I hate pimples. Or maybe I can apply concealer or something, since it's right by my eyes. Oh, my eye. Ugh. But anyways, today's a pretty chill weekend. After this event, it's at 1, and it's currently 11:24. So I'm getting ready pretty early, but after this event, I'm gonna go to my parents' house and visit my niece and nephew. They're coming over for a little bit. I think they're actually spending the night at my parents'. I'm not too sure. But after that, I am gonna come home and work on a couple things. I have some exciting things coming up. I am starting a little shop. It's something new and really, really exciting to me. I had a shop, like a clothing boutique with my friend, and it's actually the friend that's getting married, but she's been really, really busy, and I've always had this idea of having like kind of like a stationery shop, and I feel like it would be an amazing thing to do on my own. So how I'm gonna start it is going to be with planner charms. So if you like planner charms, my plan is to launch next week, and you can check it out. I'm excited. I will definitely make a post on my YouTube channel to make sure I spread the word as much as possible. But I've been making planner charms for the past few days, and it's gonna be like, I used to make a lot of polymer clay charms, and that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. It's polymer clay. I used to make polymer clay, oh no, I'm getting my shirt dirty. I used to make polymer clay earrings, and that's basically the same medium that I'll be using, is a polymer clay to make charms. So I'm excited. They're turning out really cute. I'm making them Christmas themed, so I don't know, they're just adorable. I'll have to show you all when I get home later. I think they look great, and I've been getting a lot of good feedback. I've been sharing a lot on my Instagram page, so if you want to stay up to date, definitely give me a follow. And I think they're looking great. I love them, so I'm excited. And I then have like future plans to grow it to something bigger, Lord willing. I feel like it's something that could happen. There's nothing like stationery. I look like a crazy person. There's no stationery stores here in San Antonio, and I feel like it's something that could do really well. I'm gonna start slow, I'm gonna start small, and I'm gonna work myself up from there, and I think it's a good game plan. The first thing that I'm gonna launch is just the charms, and then hopefully little by little, as I start building like a little bit more revenue, then I can start introducing like actual stationery. So that is my plan. I forgot to apply concealer, but I don't think my under eye circles are that bad today, so I'm just gonna keep it as is. It's okay. I'm kind of like taking out the stuff that I have here. I think I also have some new mascara here. Yeah, I bought this new mascara. It's the Sky High mascara by Maybelline. And I used to have this one right here that comes like in a rose gold and a, I don't know, like a pink container, and this one's black, so I don't know what the difference is, so I bought it. Which I guess like it's not really the smartest thing, but I bought it anyways. After letting my makeup set for a little bit, I like to dust off the powder that's just like excess off of my face so I don't look as crazy. And there, that looks cute. I think I'm gonna apply, okay, I do have under eye circles, but it's not too bad. I think I am gonna apply just a little bit of some of this blush. I love blush. This is the Rare Beauty blush. It's not focusing. I love using Rare Beauty. Selena Gomez has lupus, and the opening of these containers is actually easier. Like, I can't do this because I have rheumatoid arthritis. So what I do is this, and it's just easier to open. It's not super complicated, and I just love her packaging. Like, even on this tinted moisturizer, it has this ridge on here, and it's easy to just grip it as opposed to like a normal container. So yeah, anyways, let me apply this before it like dries up and I look like a complete clown. I use just a beauty blender specifically for this because it's just easier to blend it with a beauty blender than I personally feel than like a brush. So that's just me. Okay, there. That's as good as it's gonna get. I feel like I have dry parts right here because it's getting so cold outside. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this. Okay. They're like went in my mouth a little bit. And then what I use to dry it up is this fan that I got from Thecurvyplanner. It just helps dry it up as fast as possible. Oh, I hate these breakouts, but it's okay. I'm gonna stop thinking about them and it's gonna be okay. Oh, it's cold outside, so it's a little cold inside too. And I'm like fanning myself and I'm getting extra cold. I think that looks good. As best as it's gonna get. I'm not really good at makeup, but whatever. Okay, so another thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same beauty blender that I use for my foundation to just kind of dab in some of the blush. I should have definitely applied concealer, but it's okay. Maybe once I put on some of the mascara, it'll look better. So not too bad. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna use a really fine brush to apply a little bit of brown right on the outer side of that. Cute. Okay, that looks adorable. Okay, that looks good, I feel like. Okay, I'm gonna grab the same beauty blender to make sure there's no excess black powder hanging out there. That looks good. Okay, that's good, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some for my eyebrows. So I just use a regular NYX eyebrow pencil, so it needs to be sharpened, but it's all right. I don't like applying too much That doesn't look too bad. No, that looks okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. And then it's mascara time. I don't know what the difference of this is, but it just looks like a black mascara, so there's that at least. Okay, let me get this mirror a little bit closer to me. So sorry you're gonna see a reflection there, but I kind of need it to be a little close. And this light. Okay. Another thing I need to do is apply some chapstick. I think I have some in my office. Hold on. Okay, so here's the look. I think it looks cute. It's just a skirt, some tennis shoes. I feel like I probably should have worn like nicer shoes, but tennis shoes will do. And this top that I showed you all, I think it looks cute. I just gotta put on my purse and get going because it's already 12:05, so the time has come. Hi, Lani.
Hi, Mommy. How are you? Hi, Miguel. Hi, Miguel. Mira, medicine for you.
It's a video. ¿Quién es? ¿Quién es? Lani. Ajá, Lani. Ajá. ¿Y quién está ahí acostado? Who's that? Axel. ¿Y quién es? ¿Quién eres tú? Who's that? It's Lani. Yay. We're looking for stuff for Matthew's dad for his birthday. Hopefully we find some Astral stuff, right? I guess we found it. Oh, they don't have... They have hats. He doesn't really wear hats. Oh, look, there's polos right here. Okay, well, I totally forgot to record an outro, but we went to church bingo and then called it a day. And that's the end of the vlog. See y'all next time. Bye.